Good morning, sir. This is Tavia. Our school name is New Vision the Concept School. We are from Khammam district. Our topic is how to minimize the radiation. These are the cell phone towers. Nowadays, we are seeing many people are placing the cell phone towers near the houses, but it was very dangerous because people will be affected with many diseases. So we are saying to place the cell phone towers at the outskirts of the villages. These are the electronic gadgets which produce the radiation. Electronic rice cooker and toaster produces more radiation because they work with the help of the electronic magnetic energy. So they produce radiation. To reduce micro oven radiation, induction stove, cell phone radiation can be reduced with the help of anti-radiation chips, which can reduce the radiation. These landfalls gives us less radiation because it is a wide modem. So we are saying them use than this, less than this possible. So we can minimize this radiation by this method. Thank you.
What do you mean by radiation?
Radiation is an energy which travels from space in the form of waves and particles.
And but the same thing is also cell phone signal also is the form of energy. But what is the difference between the signal and the radiation?
It gives signals to the cell phones. If we place them at outskirts of the villages, it reduces the radiation. Through the satellite, it gives signals and
But see, this is known fact to the people who are using the towers, right? It is known
they are
fact.
saying that we have taken government permission and we are placing, but not that one is not right because these also produces radiation. But
Why they are not putting outskirts of the villages?
because a new satellite was found, sir. It can reflect the signals and it can take the signals, sir.
No. Actually, the question is, the cell phone operators, they know that what is radiation, what is signal, what is transmission, everything they know. But still, they are installing that antennas within the villages or towns and cities. They are not using them outside. Why is that?
No idea, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'll let you know.